Hello friends, today I'm going to demo my new foraging system that I created. This goes along with the crafting system that I made. You need some components to craft with. So this is the foraging editor, and what this does is this gives me the ability to plant things like flowers and fungus and ore, things like that all around the world for the player to find and pick up and add to their inventory and then craft things. Get rid of this guy. Go away. So let me show you how it works. Open my forage editor. So we'll look at the mystic mushrooms. You can see I have 8 locations and 3 max active. If I go into edit here, I choose whatever item I want to spawn. In this case, it's a mystic mushroom. So this is the forage configuration for mystic mushrooms. These are the different rooms that it can spawn in. So it can spawn in all these different rooms at these XY coordinates that I set up. And it can have a max of 3 at a time. And I can set the respawn timer. The respawn timer is once the player picks one up off the ground, how long does it wait to spawn a new one? And it's going to spawn a new one in one of these rooms randomly. So if I want to add more rooms and more locations to that spawn table, it's real easy to do. If I want to add one here, I can just go to my items, crafting, grab a new mystic mushroom, place it wherever I think would be a good place for it to spawn. Let's stick one right up there. And if I want that to add to my forage system, I just go to edit, add to forage. Stick to edit to forage system. Now if I go back and look at my forage system, mystic mushroom, I can see that it added the courtyard. That's where I am right now. This is the courtyard. This is the one I just added, courtyard. Here's the XY locations, and I did that by just placing it in the room and a click of a button. And so you can see that that's a real simple foraging system. I can any item that I create, I can create a new forage configuration for it. I can add it to as many rooms as I want to, and then limit it to appearing in as few as I want to. And once the player picks it up, it randomly spawns in a different room. So I picked that up, and now it's going to wait the respawn time that I have set, and then it's going to respawn in one of these rooms randomly if there's not already an instance there. If there's an instance there, it'll skip on to the next open space. So that is my foraging editor. And this will give the player more things to do in the game than just solving quests or just killing. They can now go around and look for things to forage, pick up items, craft new recipes, make potions. Opens up a world of opportunities. So that is my foraging system. Thank you for watching.